Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Esther Francis YouTube channel. I thank you guys for my returning subscribers. Please, those that have not subscribed, try to subscribe. Click the notification button so that anytime I upload video, you will be first person to notify. Welcome back. We are going to cook today beans. This is what we are going to use. I'm going to use streams, dry streams, to cook it, because I really like to, I love it on beans. I don't like to put fish or meat. This is what I'm using on my beans. Please guys, stay tuned and keep watching. Let's cook it together. So guys, we are going to apply the beans inside the water now. Leave it to boil. We are adding the pepper, crayfish, and the onions now. I grounded it already. Adding mango. Salt, nutmeg, and a little curry. This curry from Nigeria. Just to add a little. Onions, thank you for joining me guys. Our beans is ready. It's ready guys. Thank you for joining me, for supporting me. I really appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification button so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first person to notify. Click and subscribe so that we can always be cooking together. Thank you guys for joining me to cook. Bye.